Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Shibenta banyele persya ya ke Jingdon We hakamat jungki breu. Nadu ki kendat senam balala ke Sarkar India kalapan mi ya ke skim pendi dawai WA ya ki kena. Nadu bakidang pulih haki skol. Ya kene ke jing pendi dawai we la julait penlong haki skol ba per la kalong haki bentasor ne haki thai nokandong. Bat ya kom kene ke jing pendi dawai la kampan pau perthairu haki sngi bakarpang jongkatnat ke koi ke khia. Kawai ni ki sngi bakarpang ke dairu ke balatem kom ke National Deworming Day. Ya ke ba mentau snam layak bansaki ya ke bala pelong haka arpsan terik mentau benaya yong arajar kat kendai. Haka Sacred Heart Girls High Secondary School keberan Hamaula Shillong. Kepala pelong dekat Office Trikam jong ke District Health Society National Health Mission East Castles District. Kebalang ru ke jing sedang ya kini projek ha East Castles District. Ha shua ban pelong ya ke jing pendi dawai we ya ki kena ha kini ke skol. Ha ke por mestap la pelong jelang ke Bashipor. Ha ke balai don langru u Deputy Commissioner jong ke East Castles District u Abhishek Bhagotia u balalong u kongsan ha kini ke jelang. Nakaliang katnat ke koi ke kia ki balai don lang ki kentop ya ke District Medical and Health Officer jong ke East Castles District i Dr. MR Basaimon nangta ke Additional District Medical and Health Officer jong ke nehi ke District i Dr. JB Rani i bela ajing keren halor ke National Deworming Day but u Senior Medical and Health Officer jong ke Nehru Sain Dispensary u Dr. S. Khongla.
We should understand that if a person is infested with worms, maybe they defecate outside in the open air, and then from there the larva or the eggs they get contaminated in the soil or water, and then another person, there may be children around playing in the ground, or maybe an adult also will be walking in the field or something of that sort. So they will be taking the swarms into the hands or into the body, even while walking barefoot. This soil transmitted worms, they can get into your body. So that's why, and after that, these worms may be ingested, these eggs may be ingested, or the larva may penetrate to the skin and then get infected into the body. Once they infected inside the body, they go into the intestines, and in the intestine again they produce eggs and larvae, which in turn will make the person the host of that worms to be subjected to all sorts of difficulties. Okay, like the symptoms and signs will be shown later. Symptoms and signs also depends on the intensity of the infestations. The more the infestation, the more the intensity of the symptoms will occur. We need to overcome this. We need to go in a big way so that we will be able to take this worms away from this, so that the infestations will not be there to human. That's why we have two things to do. One thing is we have to take the tablets every 6 months, and another long term. Then we have to also see that the environment is clean. You have to cut your nails properly, because if you cut your nails, you don't leave long nails, then there is no chance of getting contaminations. Especially, every one of us, we know that we especially our people, we have a lot of things to do. We eat things like, the traditional ways, like dog hair, then meat hair, and all those things we usually do it with our hands, isn't it? So we need to wash our hands properly before we touch the food, before we do things of that kind. And we should be, whenever we touch the food, or before we eat our food, we should wash our hands properly. And also after we have used the toilet. We should also use the toilet, not to defecate outside in the open air.
We have just, along with our respected principal sister and doctors, we have impress upon them that the need for deworming is very important, so that nutrition is provided to children in time and the growth is not stunted, their attendance in school is not affected, and their performance is up to the mark. So it is for general health of children that deworming is very important. It is administered twice a year. So today is the day where we have launched this program, and I wish success to school and to our office of DMHO who are conducting this program from here. As a society in Meghalaya and Shillong, overall also we have been generally a clean society in terms of higher standards of sanitation. If you go to villages, if you go to localities, Darbar organizes cleaning drives, and there is a increased stress on cleanliness overall, as I have seen. But nonetheless, as we are also disseminating this sanitation drive, impressing upon children and their parents to keep their localities clean, make sure that children wash their hands properly and defecation is not there, which is anyways in our society is minimal, but this is nonetheless stressed every year, twice from the point of deworming, but also from the point of hygiene and sanitation from different organizations and institutes within the district administration. So we continue to impress to parents to make sure that the children are kept in a hygiene and sanitized environment. They should be told, and they are well aware of, that they wash their hands and make sure that they do not defecate in open, or they do not go without shoes or slippers, something like that. So this is our message to them.